Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on my chipper shredder, Troy-Bilt 4325 chipper shredder again, and this time it's going to be the pull start. Well, let me show you what happened to it. Last week my coworker borrowed it to chip up a whole bunch of brush and branches that he had, and in the process of doing so, the pull start self-destructed. Well, there's one of the pawls right there, not much left. The other one is completely missing and it chewed up the whole assembly. I have a new pull start here, part number 791849, and my coworker ended up buying this to replace the broken one here. And I think it is the right one, and we're going to open this and check. Looks about right to me. Same size. Let's see about disassembling this pull start here. There's what's left of one of the pawls. And that spring just popped. That's okay. It looks like this is okay. It looks like we have... Looks like the metal tab that the spring hooks to is intact and it's okay, so I think we're good. Let's pull the cord out. I'm gonna see if I can reuse this cord. I should be able to. There's nothing saying that I can't reuse it. I'm not losing that much, just a couple inches of length on it. There we go. It's a tough cord. My coworker also provided me with a Pawl Kit to go with the pull start, and this looks like it's going to be the right one, so let's open it up and get the pieces out. Alright, so here is the top plastic piece and the bolt that came with it, and based on the other one, the bolt appears to go through it, and this little spring clip goes over the plastic like so to kind of hold it in place like that. So that's that. I spread some of the original grease around on the shaft here, and basically what's supposed to happen is this thing is supposed to rest in there like that. The spring hook there hooks onto that metal piece there, and that's what allows you to wind it up and for it to spring back. And I'm gonna try and do this without making this spring pop. I have a tendency to make these things pop, which is not good. Alright, there we go. And I'm gonna turn you off for just a second to make sure that that clip is on that tab, and then I'm going to put the pawls in place and the top piece back on. It's not catching, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pliers and try and very gently bend this down like that. I think maybe that will work. Do not want this thing to pop a little bit more. Yeah, too much. Let's try that. see if we can get it to hook. Oh yeah, that hooked. Good. Excellent. Excellent. So in addition to these two pawls that the kit came with, it also came with these two tiny springs. And I don't really see a place for these to go other than onto the two little pins that the pawls rest on, or spin on. I think like that. I didn't see any come off of the old one, but that could be just because they got chewed up and spit out. And I believe this will go on just like that. Singe the end. There we go, so it doesn't unravel. That's good. Let's wind this thing up. 7 turns. I'm gonna go for 7. 1. 7. I'm gonna put a punch in there to jam it so it doesn't go anywhere. So let me see, I think I want it, I'm trying to line up this hole and this hole. I think maybe about there. What do you think? Will that work for us? Let me try it. Stick this through here. Where are you guys? Yeah, that works. Works very well. Give this a knot. Yank with the pliers. Pull. There we go. And let's see if this will rewind itself. Put the punch away. I got a knot in here. How did that happen? There we go. Hey, what do you know? That's nice and tight. And that works really well. Good. Very good. Alright, let's put it back on the machine and see if we can give it a tug and see if it'll start. It's nice that everything is 5/16 inch. Alright, that's promising. Well, let me take it outside. We'll give it a start. It's already got gas. Gas is already on. So, yeah, let's give it a yank. Oh, help if I gave it some throttle. for joining me on this short video. Everything seems to be working well now. If you like these kinds of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out some of the other ones I have. There should be a subscribe button in the lower right hand corner. If you like this video, be sure to like it, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.